Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to show where you can find deleted tasks in Asana. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is let's say I'm going to delete a task here. Yes, delete, or like this task is deleted. So what you want to do is when you have it, you just want to go to left top corner or left tab, and you're gonna see favorites here, and you want to click show more, and then you're gonna see delete items here. And you're gonna see it here, deleted tasks. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And goodbye.